So we're looking at CFVI still. Looking at the chart. See a break above 1226. This is open right now. Let's see. It didn't break 1225 like I said earlier. Okay, so we're seeing it. See where it goes, boy. 26. What's that? Good. Oh, this is good. I don't care. You ain't gonna fake me out, boy. Can't do that. Can't do that. They can't do that. You can't do it. You won't. But it didn't. It won't get past the 27, 26. What to look for or what to do. I'm making my pre-workout right now because I didn't take any trades today. All I did was hold CFVI from yesterday. Some days you don't need a trade. I enjoyed charting everything. I enjoy making money, obviously, but just want to show you how much mindset it is. Look, another green guy. Another green guy. Come on, pump that shh. Am I allowed to curse on YouTube? I don't know, but I'm not gonna do. I'm not making a habit. Okay, let's go back now. So we need a break above 1226. If it doesn't break above there, but I alerted some YouTuber again, Lawrence. He's pretty smart. He does scalping as well. But look, a little bit ago, DWC is gonna run up right here, right? What's his name? How do I scroll down? Lawrence. But let's see. Let's go back to the chart real quick. Told you, break above 126. It's gonna go easy live scalp, live call out, whatever you want to call it. Right? It's all my. I already have my trades. Told you I was holding from yesterday. Still holding. It's following a DWC. Oh, open up! It's gone. It's good. It's going. Ooh. Buy's making it up right there. Just need to buy or break the 71 mark to be bullish right there. You can take a swing trade. Get the 64. Oh, what you do is buy in the money already. Don't buy out of the money options. Like, cool though. It's I like it. Don't go back down. But either way, it's only a minute, so don't be scared. 12:32. I have fun in the market because that's what I do. I trade from home. Ready? Look, it's gonna go. Going on. Entries and exits. Look, it's trying to fake you out, but it's gonna go up to 64 plus. Ready? 91. 95, and I'm not even looking at any level 2 right now. This is all just price action. Look, called that one. Spy. It's just familiar. Just watching it. I'm not always right, but if you do this consistently every day, take profits, then that's what it is. See? Didn't fake you out. Look at that, 15. But options are printing now. Let's see. It's gonna fucking rocket, dude. 1330 first. Taking profit. By running. Easy, no? Keep going, just keep swimming, swimming. Well, you should expect it. It's lunchtime, 1 o'clock. Shouldn't be really trading like 12, 1, 2, 3. Come back, power hour it up. But alright, let's look. We're on a daily chart, so you can see it's heading up. It broke the 1226 mark. It's definitely heading up to the 64, all the way up to what, 13s now. Let's see. It's definitely bullish. But look, it's just choppy right now. But hopefully, the main thing is maybe supports at 1234, and then look on an hourly break. we definitely should close, hopefully, the 12:29, 12:30. Actually, we'll say 15-minute shows. Alright. That would be great. If we could close above this 29 mark right here. So we could be bullish and then head right up to the 1260s and then be even more bullish up to 13 marks. But so check out next time. Follow, like, subscribe for more. If you have any stocks that you want me to cover, leave them in the comments. Tweet me or anything. Let me know. Peace.